What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here at the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Harley-Davidson Saddlebag Travel-Paks. One of the things that I love about these bags is that they fit all of my equipment, which means when I ride my bike to the gym, I don't have to wear a backpack. Thanks to the soft sides of these travel packs, they can form perfectly into your hard cases, making use of every inch of available space. They're water resistant and the heavy duty zippers seal the bag shut, so you have more protection from the elements. These bags have comfortable carrying handles and there are D-rings to attach the optional shoulder strap, which is sold separately. They're finished with the Harley-Davidson Bar and Shield logo to complete the look. These travel packs are designed for the 2018 and later Sport Glide or 2022 and later Low Rider ST. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.